This is a little bit of an awkward intro. I'm in a hole right now since it is night out and I've already died twice. And I didn't want to die much. Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry! No, I'm so sorry! I can't get out. This is not good. This is terrible. No, I'm sorry. I can't get out. Oh no. No. Oh god. I'm so sorry. Oh. I'm sorry. We didn't see. Find a possible cure. Rat paw. Poop. I think I got that earlier, but ew. I just wanted to sit in a hole and think about my thoughts. Not this. Oh, no, I have leads. That's kind of nice. 10% chance. Okay, we're just gonna put that away. So today we're just going to be finding some wood. The wood specifically is jacaranda planks and mahogany planks. I'm pretty sure I butchered those names, but I'm gonna go try and find those. But first off, I believe I would like a nature's compass, but that is made with a compass, and I do not have redstone or anything. So we're gonna start mining first so we can successfully get those. Hi, Editing June here. Just put another, I don't know, voice in that, yeah, I'm aware there's a huge watermark in the middle of the video. Don't have enough money to get that off. So please just deal with it for the time being. If you have any suggestions for better editing softwares, please comment them down below. Thank you. Oh, what's that? Hold on to your horses. No man's land. Well, there's a man right there. Or a hawk. Iron slime, that doesn't sound fun. Oh, this doesn't look safe. Right, oh, there's more up there. Wish I had zoom, but I don't. A harpy. Oh. Oh, it's finding me. Oh, I'm sorry. You're very pretty. Oh. Slay a harpy. That wasn't that hard. Nothing. Well, I'll take the bed. I'll bring that home later, after our little trip. This is not safe. I assume it was from that. So I'm gonna go look over there. Oh my. Let's, there we go. Ooh. Sort of the immortal. Protection, riptide, apple, and bread. Take that too. Alright. Not bad. I'll come back to this when I want these stone thingies if I ever need them. What are you? Why did I get two? Ravager skull. One of them has arrows. Interesting. What is this? Do I have any things? This is spooky. Okay. This does not seem. No, I'm going. I'm leaving. No. Oh god. Oh no. This is not safe. Oh. Stop it. Alright. Never go in there again. I thought it was actually god, I don't want that. No, I don't want a corpse. Ew. Well, hey, well, then. Oh, there's shelves though. I gotta. Don't mind me. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at the mushrooms. Oh, I need these. Oh, these are lovely. What in the hell happened here? Oh. What are you? Okay. Oh god. Oh no 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 no. Candyman, Enderman, so many mans. No. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. Harpy bird. Ooh, that's not a cave. That's a cave pond. Cave. Hold on. Cave. I am starving, cave. Hold on. We just need to get some iron, some redstone, and then we'll be a-okay. First objective. Iron. Oh. Oh. Anything? Oh my god. No, 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 no. Okay. Horn. That's fun. No. There's nothing. Higama torches. Waste of my time. What's this? Does it lead to a cave? It does. Hello, pigeon. Iron. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Another? Oh! Oh! No! Here we are. What's that? Oh! Why? It's just unnecessary. Ugh. Alright. Going down. We are at 16. Oh, why didn't I realize? Jesus. What was that? Amethyst. Nice, I'll take that. Oh no. What are you? Tourmaline? Cool. Eyes on the prize. Oh no. Okay. Is that diamond? That's diamond! Oh! This has turned into a good mining trip. Oh, there's so many. 8. I will gladly take those. And gladly take this. Can never have enough. Ooh. What's that? Hop. 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 Oh my god! Never mind. It's fine. We're gonna sleep. Well, we don't need to go back. We have what we need. Just gotta smelt that. We can get on our way. So what I'm planning to do is use this for the base and use this for the roof. Since we're in a pink biome, I thought that would be fitting. And it would be quite cute. Alright, so let's create our compass. Need wood and some saplings. Put that there. And there we go. Now we can find any biome we want. So, actually I'm going to bring our wood. Jacaranda, I think that's how it's pronounced, is found in the lavender fields. So I'm going to start my search and we're going to find our way there. That is very far away. Oh, what is this? Hold on, I'm interested. Olive wood. Oh, not terrible, but not what I'm looking for. Oh, no. Alright. My favorite flowers. Roses. Another pot. I'll take this. Pop. Hello? There you go. Oh. These mushrooms? Not sure. Emu! Hello! Oh no! Oh, what was that? Oh, what was that? Wait, these are so cute. Oh. Why am I? Oh god. Oh, I need these. More scary buildings. And a hole in the ground. Hold on. What is this? Oh my. The Sun Chief. I don't want to fight the Sun Chief. I really don't want to fight the Sun Chief. What is this? Is that a village? Are you kidding me? Looks like we're going back to the lavender field. I'm cutting all this out. Oh my goodness, not today. Not today and not ever. Is that a trader lo- Okay. Oh my god. Oh, okay. This is a dragon skeleton. Can I break this? Oh. Because it's laying quite awkwardly. As in it's floating. Hello? Well, it's gonna rest there for eternity. Hello, Sun Chief. I'm just gonna scooch on by. Bye-bye. Now we can get a good look at this village. Hopefully it's just a village. Yeah, it looks like a village. Alright. Oh. Manuscript. What's a manuscript? Manuscript. Lectern Bestiary. Oh. Here we go. Oh. There was already one. Now I just feel silly. More manuscripts. I wonder if I can. Lightning Dragon, Blood Alchemy. Blood Alchemy sounds interesting. Put that there. Now I have a entry. Oh, why me? Oh. Am I interrupting something? Alright, I'm leaving. No. No, I'm not getting murdered by this again. What was I murdered by anyway? Leatherface. That was probably the Leatherface thing. Oh, hello! Pinhead. Come here. Come here! I'm gonna get rid of you. I'm gonna save this village from you. Because you look disgusting. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of XP. Oh my god. Like, oh, never mind. I made it. Oh, my sweet lavender. Oh, I'm taking so many of these so I never have to come back. Oh, take it all, please. Oh, please. What in the Jesus Christ is that? What is that? Okay. I think I have enough for now. I'll just grow the rest later. Now I'm interested in seeing if I can kill this. This is terrifying. I hate how it moves, and I hate everything about it. Let's kill it. Come here. What? Okay. That's gonna be the end of this. I am going to hopefully try and get the other wood, and maybe by next episode the house will be built. I'm not sure. As long as I have motivation, I will. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and see you later. Bye!